Assalamualaikum. I am Ahmad Faris bin Abdul Halim from 3TML1. Will be presenting the topic integrating ISPS, a synergetic approach to maritime security. Understanding the ISPS code. ISPS code was introduced in 2004 after the 9/11 terrorist attack. It is developed by the IMO to improve global maritime and port security. Their function is to protect ship and port operation from terrorism, piracy, smuggling and other illegal activities. They safeguard the global supply chain and mitigate risk to maritime infrastructure. The purpose solution for enhanced security is by technology integration. By using of automated security system, satellite surveillance and artificial intelligence. Next one is stakeholder collaboration. Together they can strengthen cooperation among government, port authorities and shipping companies. And next is the global framework. The integrated ISPS with initiative like RECAP and the Isps Code of Conduct. The benefit of a multi-phase approach. They can provide a comprehensive response to evolving threat, enhance the effectiveness of existing security mechanism, and last one, ensuring shared responsibility for maritime security. It is applied to ship over 500 gross tonnage on international voyage and associate port facilities. It reduces the vulnerabilities, identifying threats and establish responsive measure. For the structure, they consist of two parts, which is part A, mandatory security requirement, and part B, guidance for implementation. For the security level, it is divided by 3 levels, which is level 1, level 2 and level 3. The need for integration is because of the limitation of the ISPS code, which is focused primarily on physical security and insufficient to address modern complex threats like cyber attack and geopolitical challenge. The emergence of modern threat, which is the first one, cybersecurity risk, that digital integration increase vulnerability to cyber attacks targeting shipping and port infrastructure. Next one is regional threat, which is the piracy in the Southeast Asia, the Gulf of Guinea and Strait of Malacca. The role of technology in enhancing maritime security with adoption of advanced tools like AI-driven threat detection, satellite-based tracking and automated monitoring, and use of drone and autonomous vessel for patrolling. Next, global cooperation, which is stakeholder collaboration to promote knowledge and sharing, to join training, strengthen the capabilities of developing nations to address maritime threats and risk of fragment effort without integration. The role of technology in enhancing maritime security with adoption of advanced tools like AI-driven threat detection, satellite-based tracking and automated monitoring, and use of drone and autonomous vessel for patrolling. Next, global cooperation, which is stakeholder collaboration to promote knowledge and sharing, to join training, strengthen the capabilities of developing nations to address maritime threats and risk of fragment effort without integration. Stakeholder collaboration. It involves ship owner, port authorities, government, international organisation and private security firm. It encourages cross-border and cross-industry cooperation. They facilitates intelligence sharing, common standard and coordinate response. As for example, the regional agreement like RECAP and the Isps Code of Conduct, and partnership between IMO, government and shipping companies. Technological integration. It is the incorporation of advanced tools like cybersecurity infrastructure to counter cyber attacks, automated identification system AIS for vessel tracking, AI and machine learning for real-time threat detection, and last one, satellite tracking for global monitoring. It also enhances an ISPS code with predictive and reactive capability for comprehensive security. Regional security framework. It addresses localized security threats, as for example, piracy, smuggling and human trafficking. Example, the Isps Code of Conduct focus on Horn of Africa and Gulf of Aden. RECAP promotes regional collaboration in Southeast Asia. It aligns the regional initiative with ISPS Code to create globally adaptive security system. Capacity building and training. It is essential for effective security implementation, including training for port security officer and maritime law enforcement, infrastructure development and technological support, finance resource allocation for underdeveloped region. The activities is like regular drills, cooperative exercise and cross-border training. It ensures readiness to handle emerging threats. Legislative support and policy integration. It harmonizes legal framework across borders, develop regulation addressing cyber threat and transnational crimes, promote public-private sector coordination, example, military, law enforcement and private security. It encourages global collaboration and streamline implementation of security measures.